Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a house located in Freetown, Clarendon. It consists of 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, kitchen, living, dining, and laundry rooms, double carport, utility area, study, sitting area, and family room. Each of the bedrooms on the top floor has its own balcony. There is also a storage room and workshop to the rear of the premises. There is also ample space of over 1/3 acre of well-fruited land. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. asking price for this house is Jamaican, 25 million or US, $162.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.